Portland vlog.
Oh. Guys, something's happening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Precious' Film, but this is the start of Jack's birthday vlog. Jack's birthday vlog. Jack's birthday vlog.
Don't. Can you see?
No.
Tell me the truth.
I can see right here, but I won't.
Close your eyes.
All right, come here.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh.
This is crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
I am ready.
You're sure you're ready?
Yep.
We're all here to mow lawn.
What? What?
What?
No way.
You driving here?
Yeah. No.
Oh my God, Jack, we got you a car.
Driving away.
Oh my gosh. Jack be driving. Oh. Oh.
What's up?
Here's how this is going to work, Mr. Jack.
So-
I'm gonna work on it.
This car is mechanically perfect.
Okay.
Runs good, stops good, it's got new tires.
Okay.
The transmission, the axles, the brakes, everything's been gone through. It's just ugly.
Hey. Well then.
So over the next year or two, you and I are going, you're going to save your money,
We're gonna make it pretty.
and we're going to gather parts that we need, and we're going to finish the interior. Look at the headliners, brand new.
Ooh.
So we're going to finish the interior, we're going to work on the body, we're going to put some Bondo on it, fix some dents, get it figured out, get it all perfect, and so by the time you're 16,
It'll be amazing.
It'll be
cocked and locked.
perfect.
What and what?
Oh yeah.
Motors in the back.
Where was my car when I was 14, huh?
Yeah, for real.
So Buddy pooped in our neighbor's yard. And then the lady came out immediately and went straight to the poop. Now my mom.
You forgot to tell him about how the dog.
And now she's picking it up. Oh yeah, he dug it up too. It's just Buddy being Buddy, you know? Jack and my dad went for a little test drive.
Happy birthday, dear Jack. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
I'm graduating, guys.
Graduation.
Look at where we are.
Yucky ramen.
Hey guys, we're getting ramen. I hope I like it.
Look at those eyelashes.
Yeah, I got
those
my
out.
Hey, it's not about you, dude.
Sorry.
We're at Cold Stone.
Jack, they're gonna get. Can I get the one smart rookie God had? Okay. Cool.
This is her first and last time at Cold Stone.
Shut up.
Why first and last?
Because she has cancer, stage 4.
Okay, good next.
Damn, this is embarrassing.
We're here. Well, actually, we're not here
What's
yet,
up, some
really.
guys?
We're at camping spot.
We're at the camping spot. We're not at the zoo
Not
yet.
yeah, no.
This is the zoo.
Where's the birds? Do you see them?
You see any birds? What are you doing? There's a lot of birds.
What?
Don't look.
We're gonna
I have pants on. It's just so
Oh, ow!
revealing.
It's like stuck to my whole
Okay.
everything. Is anyone else hot?
This is my new favorite thing in the whole wide world. Let me just put
loves
you
her-
on it.
Her
Okay, first of all,
Ravenclaw kinkin.
I started making a little bracelet.
I love those colors.
I do too. And I feel like it goes well. I don't know why. But it's my new favorite thing in the whole world. I got my sunglasses in this pocket. I got my Lammy pen. Shout out Tim. Big shout out
Pops.
Big Pops. See,
All
I
the
like to
way up.
pretend that my blackheads are freckles.
Yeah,
I like to
that
pretend.
makes sense. It's like a mix for me.
It's like I'm gaslighting people.
into thinking your black kids are pimples.
Wow, Evan, that's very inventive. Time to charge Evan's phone. Macy and her purse. Oh boy, this is my purse.
Remember?
Look at it. Look, I put these in here. Did you hear it inside the bag? Did you hear it inside the bag? What does it sound like?
You just took the
Oh boy.
Hey,
There
Missy,
we go.
How is
You
it
should
gonna
get a
be
flamingo
having
hat
both
because
of
you
them
have
at
one
the
leg.
same
You're
time?
stupid and ugly.
It'll work. I trust it.
You should get a flamingo hat because you're a flamingo with one leg.
What?
I'm a giraffe.
I'm offended. Oh. Hey mom, I have a question. Interview time. Do you think you could buy me a pin for my backpack at the zoo shop? Maybe. Y'all heard that? Y'all heard it here? Or if it's not a cute pin, a cute keychain. Maybe.
Hey, it's my birthday.
You heard it here, folks.
She might buy Macy something
She might buy me something for my
You're
new
holding it way too close to
backpack.
your mouth.
For my new backpack. Hey Tim.
Hi.
Hey. Hello. We're at the zoo.
We're at the zoo. Did you see the snowy white owl?
Yes. It's right there.
On the branch.
Where?
It is so pretty here.
I know.
This is gorgeous.
This is gonna be good right here.
It's like a nature walk.
Oh hey.
Oh.
Just walking.
Just walking.
Look at my new giraffe pin.
Oh my goodness.
My mommy got it for me. I love it.
I've never been here ever.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jack's birthday.
This girl's hair is really red.
Here we go.
Okay, do we want to see bald eagles, beavers, otters, cougars? Okay, I think I'd rather see a cougar than a bald eagle. I'd rather see a cougar than a bald eagle.
We saw one when we were
We saw bald eagles when we were kayaking.
Oh boy.
Is it even a slide?
This is a tunnel.
For real.
Come on, Macy. I'm coming. Come on, Macy. Good girl. Good work.
That was weird. That wasn't
That
a
was
slide.
fun.
Headphones on.
A big tunnel you scoot down.
That wasn't a slide. That was a scoop.
For little kids, right?
That's it for everybody. Hey Evan, what you doing?
Just charging my phone so I can text Macy.
Aw, that's cute. Not me. Cause I'm right here.
No matter who is behind me or who is trying to get past me, it's not working because everyone is trying to be in my way. I'm gonna punch every kid in the face. Boy, get down. And I'm not gonna be able to see them unless you move out of my way.
Snake.
Whoa.
Oh, I see kitty butt.
Evan found another one outside.
Oh no, it's trapped.
Oh my god. Oh, that's too good, too good.
We're at 3%.
Stretching his wings.
42.
Oh yeah, there we go.
That's a spider.
Good job, Evan. Nice one.
This better than my own eyes.
Yeah, for real.
For real this time.
Look at me. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. You shook? I'm a little shook.
Yeah,
I'm gonna cry.
We're at the elephants right now. Stupid Dot's right over there. And there's a lot of kids roaming around here with no one watching them. So
Oh, hi.
they're gonna get snatched up if they don't get careful, okay?
We're gonna take them and sell them. Sorry, Mom and Dad.
These kids belong to us.
True. We want to find the flamingos because that's Evan's favorite animal.
It is.
And I'm pretty excited too because I like flamingos also. I don't know what my favorite animal is actually. I couldn't tell you. I want Dippin' Dots, but my dad said the line's too long. Hey, Mom. Can I get some Dippin' Dots?
Sure.
Hooray!
I'm gonna give you a large, and you can share with Evan.
Hey, come on now.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Anything else? Alrighty. If not, just you can give me a call back. Yeah. You're welcome. Bye.
Oh, shoot! Okay, here you go. I hate that.
Oh. What flavor we gonna get? Like and subscribe and comment which flavor we're gonna get. Yeah, I think the purple guy's in here.
Purple guy?
No.
What are you talking about
It's
right now?
stinky in there.
Just smells like flamingos in there.
It's the first time having Dippin' Dots, guys. What would you rate them?
First today.
Would you rate them?
10 out of 10 coldness. 8 out of 10 flavor.
I love. Do you like the cookie dough better?
No.
Me neither.
Macy, I didn't miss anything.
You did not miss anything.
They're having sex.
Yes, they are.
This is funny.
This is quite silly, actually. Yes.
This is all I needed to see today.
Look, they're fighting.
Exciting.
They're fighting over that fish.
Great. That's good. That's good.
Hey, you are taller than a baby giraffe. Nice job.
Where's the giraffe? I want to see one.
Did you catch the poop?
Oh boy.
Perfect.
Cute.
My grandma loves them.
Guys, Evan's favorite animal is a flamingo. Evan, how do you feel?
Can you switch
Awesome.
over a bit, Tim?
Do I look like them?
Macy, no. Macy, your leg is supposed to be bent like completely the opposite way.
I don't know how to do it.
Aw. You excited?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at them. They're my bats. Look at that.
Look at the little penises.
Breathe through your mouth. Breathe through your mouth.
They are me and I am them.
Yep.
I don't know why.
No, I agree.
Shout out to Hawaii for this necklace.
Shout
Look at
out.
me now.
Shout
I
out.
am with them. Is that two of them just making out next to each other?
Oh, no, wait. That is actually so
Somebody-
cute.
Somebody recreate. Me and somebody. Somebody want to recreate? Me and someone. I'm so intrigued.
Isn't that what you do? Weed?
That's pretty funny.
That is pretty funny.
That's pretty goofy.
It's pretty goofy.
That means we should go on it, right?
Yes.
We're gonna go on a train at 4:20. No. Isn't that funny? And it's gonna be really fun, and I like trains, so I'm really excited. Cause like choo
Anyone in
choo.
your group under 2 years old?
Yes.
Mentally?
Mentally, yeah.
She said mentally or physically.
Most things I've ever seen in my life. Those little tiny turtles. Oh my god. We're on a train. We are on a train.
You see their feet go like.
Yeah, I know. It's cool. I think it's funny. Is it attacking you?
Never thought you'd be the kind of guy to get a day job. 9 to 5, you're gonna take off. You're gonna go against the grain. Never thought you'd be the kind of guy to take a safe route. By and by, you're gonna break out. The world's gonna know your name. So why you sitting around? Did you think it'd be easy? I tell you if it was easy, then everybody do it too. make a beach day. Cause you're too busy every weekday to ever get up off your chair. You say you haven't got the kind of time to get a girlfriend, cause you're too busy every weekend. You haven't got a second to spare.